I live out in the country, so unfortunately we have problems with mice. Not as much during the spring and summer, but in the fall and winter, we have a horrible time. So the company was kind enough to send me, these are mouse repellent pouches. They are deodorizers. Let's see, it doesn't hurt the mice, it just keeps them away. It doesn't actually poison them. It works for other kinds of rodents as well. It's non-toxic, natural plant formula, absorbs odors and smells. Words off for a long time, easy to use. There are 10 packs in here. Let me see if it says the active ingredients are cinnamon oil, clove oil, peppermint oil, corn cob, and that's it. So all natural ingredients. My biggest concern is how these smell, because I do not want to put these in my pantry closet if these are gonna stink. So, oh my, I can smell them already. It smells like potpourri. So this is what the packages look like. You would open up one of these packages. Let's see how it smells full strength. I can see where this would deodorize. If mice do not like the smell, that is a win-win, because deodorize and keep mice away. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all. I'm going to put a couple of these in my pantry and see how they work. But this is a really good alternative, especially if you don't like the inhumane way of getting rid of mice. And if you have problems with mice, these would be good for a camper, RV. If you have kids, if you have pets and you're concerned about them getting into poison or traps. So I would definitely give these a try, see how they work.